Just thought I'd bring a very quick little update for you on Colossus. During episode 1 we left off with the finished loop, or almost finished loop. If you haven't watched episode 1, I suggest you go back and yeah, watch it so you're up to date. But since then I've gone in and added a bunch of these diagonal supports, so the track has a lot more stiffness to it. I haven't added yet where I go and put these on the sides and add more stiffening rods. Alright, so I've gone in and added the extra support along the side, all the way around the loop, all the way down there, and right up to there. The beginning of the COBRA roll though is still quite bare support wise, so I mean you can see the whole sort of side of it just flopping over the edge there, but that's to be continued. But yeah, let's give it a little test run. So that made it there with all those extra supports. I think that's a little bit further. I think before it was around about here. Now with the extra speed it's almost cresting the top. And this train is obviously a lot shorter and a lot lighter than the actual train's going to be. So with all the extra mass and cars, it should quite easily get around that. Just added an extra car to show you what extra weight does. Yeah, pretty much got over. So that'll do for the update this week. Sorry it's a small update, but hopefully I'll have a bit more in about a week or two's time. So thanks for watching.